Okay, Robert, there you go.
That's beautiful, beautiful waterfall.
Okay, can you do like a Tarzan? Robert is lying, guys. Look, let's do together. 1, 2, 3. I'm a village boy. We used to do it since when we grew up. Wow. So just to find each other, to know where's my friends, you know, we used to do the same thing. And let me find another nice location so that I can do this again. This is Wegem DC. Subscribe to the channel. I'm talking live from Mpumalanga province, which is found in South Africa and in Gaskop region. You can try to search that. I think I can write on the top on the top of the screen so that you can try to Google in easy way. Robert, you have something to say?
That's very peaceful and nice for here in the nature.
Yeah.
Yeah, the nature is rain.
It's very attractive even if it's a bit rain. Actually, it's full of mist, man. It's full of mist, and this, yeah?
Not a lot misty.
Not a lot, yeah. We've been waiting for these things. You watched my previous videos, but a little bit raining, and that is kind of vibe in this place, man. Wow, Wi-Fi is on. There is a free Wi-Fi right here.
This one.
Okay, you see this? You saw this in a little time?
Yeah, this is
They call
very dangerous.
Okay, Black Widow.
Yes.
Keep calm and careful. Yeah, carry on. Guys, you see? I was making noise to the place where you don't need to make noise. You see? Only for species of spider in South Africa are dangerous to humans. The button spiders or black and brown widows. Violin or brown recluse spiders and the sack spider. Baboon spiders can give a painful bite, but they really come into homes. Wow, man. Ooh. Hey. Okay. And I see there is a spider picture right there. You see, guys? And the spider net. I don't know if we call spider net. Wow. Okay, it's fine. Let's talk slowly, guys. Let's talk slowly. Don't make noise, man. I see there is a free Wi-Fi zone there. Wi-Fi zone. Okay, maybe there is a Wi-Fi right here. Let's try to turn on our devices. Maybe we can have internet a little bit here. You see, guys? But, you see? Free Wi-Fi spots. Okay, we are going to try. And they make this chair so that you can sit and having an internet, post a picture, go live on Instagram to show people where you are right now. You know, let me try to do it, man. Okay, we continue. Yeah, we continue. There's no Wi-Fi. They said there is a free Wi-Fi, but the Wi-Fi need password. Maybe we're supposed to ask to the reception, the place where we paid, you know? Maybe we're supposed to ask the Wi-Fi code, you know, but we didn't know if we'll find such things. Look these caves, man. You see? Hey, pole, langam. Shah Robert, salam alaikum. Wow, that's good. Okay, guys, we keep going up. Remember, our lift is somewhere there, and us, we keep going up. Let's see what's gonna happen, what we're gonna see somewhere there. stay with me. Man, give a like this video. Give a like, share to others. Tell them what way game I'm showing you out here. Yeah, this is the life of traveling. You know, say. Guys, I want to show you something special. Look. Whoop. First of all, we are on the stairs and boom, waterfall. I'm sure you can see it. That's the waterfalls. And then let's go. Oh, we have this bridge again here. Ooh. Oh, I can't believe this. No, man. Look, guys, and then this road is taking us to the viewpoint there. Yeah, we must go there at least to check the view, to catch a nice view. And that's the lift we used to drop somewhere here. Actually, from there on top until down here where we are, it is 51 meters. You know, say, and wow, guys. I must cover my camera, man. Hey, look. Guys, I tell you, man, I don't have anything to say. Okay, Robert, there you go.
That's beautiful waterfall.
Okay, can you do like a Tarzan? Robert is lying, guys. Look, let's do together. 1, 2, 3. I'm a village boy. We used to do it since when we grew up. So this environment actually is really reminding me every single day. I wish like maybe I could be staying this place, man. I would be visiting this side every day. Whoa. Guys, I must cover my camera because it's messy, man. It's messy. I wish like I could be here with you guys, you know. I wish I could be with you here, with my subscribers, my little supporters. You know, you guys are my cool friends, you know. My little supporters, I'm always appreciating what you're doing to me, watching my videos, commenting on my videos. Yeah, maybe, yeah. I'm out here and I'm really enjoying, man. This is messy. With this, you can feel like there is a rain, but no. You see this water are dropping somewhere there. When they are hitting down there, you see? Let me wipe my lens again. But there, you see the misty? It's full of misty, but it's fine, man. Can't go, you see? Somewhere here. No entry, so maybe let's try another entry somewhere there. Let's try explore. We have some friends right there. We are going. No time to sleep. It's a nice place to visit you. Yeah, the time I arrived here, I used to say grass corp, but people they say it's a grass corp, not grass corp. It's fun. Okay, and actually the name of that it's a Dutch name. Yeah, according to my language, when you see GR everywhere, GR, okay. We have something to see here. Wow. So here, if you have a binocular, it's your right time. I mean, it's a right point, right spot where you can zoom and see a lot of different things. And I see here you can catch at least it's kind of viewpoint, but it's not really clear. Maybe if we could have binoculars and stuff like that. But this side is it's very nice, man. They made these chairs so that you can sit here and watch the falls. You see? Wow, it's amazing. Wonderful. The place is really nice. I like it. Yeah, you can take your friends and family, your wife, your husband. Wow, I don't know why they're closing many places. And you see, guys, this is what I was trying to tell you. They write in Dutch and in English. So even the name of this place, wow, okay, maybe there is something went wrong, so we don't need to force, you know. Let's go this way now. We come from this way, we want to go to see what is going on there. Let's go, guys. You see there is some fog. Okay, maybe this is a fog zone. I see this. Let me try to show you well. Wow, until somewhere there, and right side there is a nice view of this nature. But let's go. Maybe there is something interesting in front there. Yeah. Wow, see these rocks, guys. You see these rocks. Wow. Rocks. Let me wipe my lens. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, finally we started here, ne?
Yes.
Here the place where we started, lift left us here. Oh yeah. Wow, amazing. But okay, guys, no way. Already come back without us to know that we're going back to the starting point. Amazing. Okay, I come from Tanzania. Thank you very much. Yeah.
From Kilimanjaro?
Yeah. Actually, that is the highest mountain in Africa. 3 different countries, like from Holland, South Africa, and Tanzania.
Subscribe to MMDC. Welcome to David.
We're coming from somewhere there. Woo! Can you say hello to my audience?
Hi.
Yeah.
I'm Crystal.
Crystal.